Okay, we're gonna do the video. I make the face, he makes the sound. And here's the first face. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
The next face is... Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. What are you doing? 3, 2, 1.
Smile. I did not see.
Are you watching? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Loser.
3, 2, 1.
I do it. Bro, do you understand what you're not supposed to say loser. You're supposed to say after we say 3, 2, 1. Do you that's why you're not in these class.